I'm Peter Sidwell and welcome to my quick kitchen. Today's episode is all about a delicious chicken biryani. It's a budget recipe, but it is absolutely packed full of flavour. Perfect for the family of 4. It's easy, it's cheap, and it is delicious. So first of all, I've got my leftover roast chicken. Now, I don't know about you in your house, but we very much always have some left from our roast chicken, and I think most people do. So I'm going to show you an amazing recipe to go from Sunday lunch roast chicken, you've had that, into this lovely full flavoured chicken biryani style dish. Now, got a big pan on. I've got my 4.5 litre shallow cast aluminium pan. These are perfect for this kind of cooking because everything goes into the pan, bake it in the oven, whack it on the table, and you're good to go. Everyone just tucks in. So what we need to do is actually take the frame from the chicken, hang on to all these juices as well. Do not let them go because they are going in the pan. All right, so let's just take the the legs off. We're going to keep the meat. We want all the meat, okay? I'll grab a bowl. Funnily enough, I have a Labrador by my feet, and they seem to have a sense. They know when chickens are being sort of dealt with. The Labrador always appears when the roast chicken does. So I'm going to remove the skin and then just take any of the meat off and pop that into a bowl. So I've got a little bit left of the breast meat there. Just watch the wishbone there. And then turn it over because there's always lovely little bits of meat here, super juicy. So let's put the chicken to one side. Now, the frame of the chicken goes into our pan, all right? Let's give this a quick wipe down because we don't want that for now. In it goes. Let's get it on full heat. Now, curry spice pots. My theory is the hotter they are, the less you use, the cheaper the dish. With me? Okay, so I have got some pataks here. I've got some pataks curry paste here, so it's quite strong, so I'm going to use half. And what I would suggest you do is freeze the other half. Put it into a bag with some water and freeze it. Do this dish again, so you get 2 for the price of 1. So in with our spices, and then if you haven't got a spice pot, use garam masala or curry paste or curry powder, and then in with the water, okay? And then we bring this up to the boil. Super easy this, oh, it's so simple. Let's stir that about. So what we're going to get is this lovely spiced chicken broth, okay? Remember the juices from the chicken as well? Let's get those in. That is where all your flavour was from yesterday when you had your roast chicken. Okay. Now this recipe is sponsored by USA Rice. No biryani is right without good rice. So we've got some beautiful USA long grain rice, okay? High in protein, great quality product, versatile, and cost effective. Really easy dish. Now, I costed this dish out yesterday and it came out at £5 exactly for 4 people. So that's £1.25 a portion. That's pretty good going if you ask me. So let me go through the ingredients. So we've got our USA rice there. We have got 1 white onion diced, 1 red pepper diced and ready to go. I've got 100 grams of California raisins, delicious. I've got some frozen peas, I've got a lemon, and then I've got a handful of mint from the garden and some coriander as well. So once this comes up to the boil, which it really won't take long, we just start to add our ingredients in, okay? So we're going to add our onion in. You see this all right, Emily?
Yep.
Yeah, cool. So in with your onion, cheap as chips, that. In with your red pepper. More vitamin C in a red pepper than an orange. Did you know that?
No.
There you go. Every day's a school day.
Absolutely.
And then in with our USA long grain rice, okay? We're going to give this a good stir. Now on the recipe, if you want the recipe, go to www.petersidwell.com. You'll find the recipe there. It gives you an exact measurement on weight of rice and volume of water, okay? But I always work on a 2-to-1 ratio, and we're gonna go on the absorption method here, okay? So that chicken is getting all our flavor in there for us. We're giving it a good stir up. We've got the rice in there, we've got the onion, we've got the peppers. The peas do not need to go in until the end, neither do the raisins, okay? So we'll pop those there. The lemon is for the end as well. So all we need to do is give this a little season with a bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're going to let that boil away. I'm going to finish this in the oven as well, but I want to get it about halfway cooked. So once half the water has evaporated and absorbed into the rice, we're going to whack it in the oven. There you go, look at that. If you want the recipe, go to petersidwell.com. You will find it there. And for more recipes like this, tune in on a Saturday morning when we cook up some amazing recipes, perfect for the weekend. I'll see you there.